Good medical morning. This is Watson, and today we're going to talk about blackheads. Not just any blackheads, the blackest blackheads in blackhead history. Super blackheads. Do you think I said blackheads enough? Blackheads. The funny thing is, YouTube will probably age restrict and demonetize this video, as they seem to hate when we talk about pimple popping. Click like if you think we should keep making videos anyway. Super blackheads is actually a term coined by the Blackhead King channel. The term references Comedo nivis, or Nivis comedonicus.
Okay, so what we have here is a comedomal nevus or blackhead nevus. This is a relatively rare condition, but I see at least 1 to 2 cases per week.
A Comedo nivis is a hair follicle nevus. It's an unusual type of epidermal nevus or birthmark, in which there is a localized collection of dilated follicles filled with keratin. Video of the condition is actually quite rare. Here's a quick example from our favorite pimple popper, Dr. Vikram. Dr. Sanjali has recently adopted the term too, but she uses it to generically describe patients who have clusters of open comedones like this. As I show you a few pictures of super blackheads, please click that subscribe button. YouTube keeps most medical videos out of search, so the best way to find our videos is to click subscribe and hit the notifications bell. Don't forget, if you like our content, then also check us out on Roku and Facebook. We'll put links below. Just check the description for links to our Facebook and Roku channels.